Let's learn how to download Threads, an Instagram app. So if you are already on Instagram and you want to join Threads and start using it, then watch this video where I'll show you how to get the app and get started with it. Threads is a new application created by Meta, which is the same company that makes Instagram and Facebook. This app is the new Twitter competitor and it is really popular right now. So without wasting your time, let's start with the video. This new Threads application is available for both iOS and Android devices, and what you want to do is to open your App Store if you are using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Now you want to type Threads, an Instagram app. And when you type that, you want to find the app with the specific icon and this name. The app has this black icon with the letter A in it. I'll leave download links in the description of this video so you can get it from there. So click on the install button and then wait a couple of minutes until the app downloads and installs on your device. The cool thing with this is it says that you can keep your Instagram username. So you can have the same username on both Threads and Instagram, which is great. When your app installs, then you can open it and start using it. Now if you don't know how to set up the new Threads app and start using it, I have a separate video on that where I'll explain everything to you. How you can get started, how to set up your Threads profile, how to post, and other stuff related to this app. The video link for that will also be in the description of this video, so go check it out and start using Threads. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.